Welcome back to another video. Gonna take that F150 to get a muffler delete. Gotta get some sound behind this thing, man. Ain't nothing wrong with being quiet, but man, I gotta have a little sound. So they quoted me 180, so I'm about to see real quick, right fast. About to see. I'm gonna probably put one of the tips on here. You say blue one? Yeah, I'm gonna put one of them tips on here. That's for sure. You like that one? Yeah, man, I gotta get that hole fixed. I got that. That's bad. That's bad. That is not good at all. But that thing quiet, so I gotta put an exhaust on there. Got to. I'm back here at the same spot that I always come to, Spring Performance Muffler. Always. All right, man, be safe, all right? Be safe. All right, stay up, bro. That's a big ass muffler, too. But I like that badge on there, though. That's a big ass damn muffler. God damn. I'm just staying out their way. Damn. This rust is bad too. Man, time for the grand finale. I don't expect it to be like hella loud, like the Mustang and shit. Even though it's a 5.4 liter, I don't expect it. So let's see. That's all I want, just a little noise. Damn, I didn't expect the popping. She gonna better go right when he. Damn, I did not expect that popping. That's crazy though. I like it. Time for a cold air intake. Shit. Yeah, that's much more like it right there. Ooh, look how I spit that water out. I got hell of a reaction right here to the muffler delete. Oh, shit. Well, you can feel that rumble, though. You can feel it. Shout out to Extreme Performance Muffler. They take care of me every time. Time to get some Chipotle. Damn, I like it though. I like it. Man, this motherfucker sound good as fuck. Restrictions on it. It feels light in the ass. Man, I can't even lie with y'all, man. This shit sounds so goddamn good. Like, from a sports car then to a truck, it's different. It's a different, like a sound tune. But the truck is just much like deeper, in my opinion. You know, if you want to argue with me, shit, let's get to it in the comments. But in my opinion, the truck is deeper. Like, it just sounds like big dick energy type shit. Like, I don't know how to really explain it. So, I like it a lot. All right, y'all, man, my lady, man, we got hungry, man. I had to come get us some goddamn Chipotle. Cause Chipotle is my life. Ooh, well, you can hear that muffler, huh? You can hear the engine trembling right now. I'm gonna show y'all the difference in the tires. Putting the tires on that bad boy. Look at the difference. Look at that. Huge difference. Oh, get my brakes, it look good. The rotor look good. I think I just need a brake flush. Leaf springs look good. ABS sensors and all that. Yeah. Yeah, we check the other side. Oh, can't wait to clean these bad boys up. Ah, come on, focus. There we go. That side look good. Okay, so I don't need brakes or rotors. Nope, not at all. Not at all. Gotta update all that. I mean, upgrade, not update. All right, let me go on. Man, I gotta, if anybody know who can fix this, let me know, man. Definitely get at me in the comments below. Let me know. Yo, I'm selling these tires. So if you know anybody who want them, hit me up. 2 of them left. By then. And y'all, man, look what I just noticed. Got that good stuff. Look at this. My damn lens fell off, so I had to do it. Put that shit right back on there. Who? Drive safe. Man, I gotta get that new light, man. But it's okay, they'll be in Monday. As I noticed when I'm editing this video, I didn't do an outro. So I'm gonna do an outro for y'all. And to let y'all know, the truck rides amazing. I couldn't be more happy with the tires, with the exhaust. Next is the tints. I'm getting tints doing next. And my tail lights and grill should be in next week. So you already know, man, that's more content coming, more content coming, more content coming. I don't know if I'm gonna lift the truck just yet right now. I'm still thinking on what I like, the inch size. Right now, 6, but because I want to tow some stuff, and I know they do make extensions on like hitches and stuff. So if y'all know like good websites where I can go get that stuff from, man, y'all let me know, man. Don't be a stranger, don't be shy. Let me know so we can get this truck hooked up, man. I'm trying to go to some truck meets, man. Y'all know any truck meets in Atlanta? Shit, let me know. I'm trying to catch them all. Like I'm ready for Atlanta Truck Invasion, something like that. May 6th. I'm definitely going to that. So if y'all going to that too, man, let me know. If y'all know anybody who can do paint correction, let me know too. Like I'm trying to turn this thing up top notch, man. I'm just first truck. I'm trying to go all in. Right now, I'm just having a ball with this truck, man. I ain't even lying to y'all.